Okay, so I have a 49cc carburetor. This is actually one of the broken ones. I'm having a problem with the float on my other one. It's pouring out the tube. So what I'm gonna have to do, because I'll show you what it's doing real quick on the bike. So we'll go over there, check it out. So this is what happens when, you know, your float's stuck or broken, or those forks aren't working right. What happens is the gas, look, see, 49cc, gas just starts pouring out, you see? Gas just pouring out. Yeah, that's because it has nowhere to go. Let me just shut off the gas real quick. Yeah, it has nowhere to go on that. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I'll show you on this one over here that I have, this carburetor. I'm gonna have to pull it apart and check these forks out right here. I'm gonna have to basically take off this. See, that just pops out, and then that just comes off right here. See the forks? The forks just come out. Basically, there's just a little spring action thing right there, and you know, sometimes that's screwed up or whatever. If that's too screwed up, obviously you got to get a new one. But you just check out the forks and everything, and basically, you know, put it back together. This end right here goes down into it, like kind of like, I don't know if I can do this really one-handed, but you know, basically, oh crap, it goes like, oh, yeah, stuff's falling around. But basically, it goes in kind of like this right here. See, that's gonna go over, I don't know if you can really see it that good, but that little piece right there cannot hit this piece right there, the little thing right there. It can't hit that, and then you just put that pin back in and then put your float back on, and, you know, hopefully, you know, it starts working again. So that's how you try and fix it. If not, obviously you got to get a new carburetor, but that's the reason why you have leakage, though, is because of the float not working right. All right, thank you.